Mia, can you remember that walk we went for? Take a look at this. That's the road where we drove under, and around here is where we went for the walk. As you can see, it's just a lake, the whole thing. This is where we parked the car and watched the ducks. Well, we had our Cornish pasty all completely submerged now. And that gate, I think, is where we started going for our walk. And that's the car park over there. This is the entrance to the Snowdome car park, which is now the Snowdome Lake. Remember, we drove down there to get to the front entrance. That's where we drive to get out. These are the Snowdome steps where we came in. We just pan round here. That's the bridge that we walked over at the end of our walk, which is now completely submerged also. This is where we went for the walk, over here. Just take a look at that. That's the road we drove under from where we're feeding the ducks. Go through here. As you can see, we walked all that. Water's right up to here. See that bridge in the distance? We walked over that too. If you remember this bit, we walked across here to get back to the car at the Beefeater pub. Look carefully, the car already marooned over there, and this is where we walked across to get onto that bridge just over there. It's absolutely just submerged everywhere. even over there. Can't even get off the bridge. This is the other side of the place where we walked. There's the yellow bridge. And we walked up that bridge to here.